Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl, Jordyn, back here with another tutorial. So if you guys have seen my videos before, you guys know that I'm known for jump rope tutorials. So this one's going to be different, it's going to be fun. I'm going to teach you guys how to shuffle. So, let's get started. How I learned to shuffle is I watched a bunch of YouTube tutorials and I took ideas and moves from all the tutorials and what helped me, and I'm going to teach it to you guys, and I'm going to teach you my ways of what best works for me. The first move you need to know about shuffling is called the running man. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to break it down and teach it so you guys can learn it. Okay? So, it is 2 steps. It's like 2 jumps. So you're going to take your right leg, you're going to put it up here. Just lift up your knee. And then you're going to jump and put it in front of you. And you're going to make a triangle with your feet. And then your right leg is going to come back right underneath you, and your left leg is going to come up. And then you're going to repeat with your left leg in front and make a triangle. So I think of it as like making a 4. You can come up here, you can come right here, and then triangle. 4, triangle. So your right leg is up, and you're going to go down. It's going to be in front. And so when you're going to bring your left leg up, your right leg is going to come back underneath you, and you're going to be in a straight line. So see how my right leg is right underneath me, and then my left leg is going to come in front of me, and my right leg is going to be behind me. So my body's right here, and so my feet are either in front of me or behind me, and then when I jump back up and make the 4, I'm going to be in a straight line. So it's 2 jumps, so 1, 2, 1, 2. So your right leg's up, triangle, up, triangle. So when you're beginning, you can just do those 2 jumps, like jump, 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 jump. But once you start to get it, it's going to be more of like sliding. So you're going to kind of like slide your back foot. You see how I did that? So like my left leg barely comes off the ground. Then I'm going to switch. Okay? With the running man, it is the most important step to shuffling, because you can add anything to it and it's always your starting point. So I could be shuffling, do the running man, I can do something else, running man, do something else, running man. So you always come back to the running man. The running man starts you for everything else you're going to do. There's many things you can do with the running man, and I'm going to show you guys in my next shuffle tutorial. But just to show you guys, you can cross, you can go on your heels, on your toes, and then you can also like double it. You can go on your right leg twice, left leg. So there's many different things, and I'll break that all down in my next video. The second most important move to me for shuffling is called the T-step. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, and then I'm going to break it down. Okay? So just like the running man, you can add a bunch of things to it. Like you can go, you can kick, and then I'm going to show you guys that in my next tutorial. So right now, we're just going to learn the basics. So we're going to start on your left leg. So your right leg doesn't really do anything. And you're going to bring your left heel that way. and then your toe, that way. So heel, toe, heel, toe. And it's going to take a while to balance. It just takes lots of practice. Okay? So when your left heel goes that way, you're going to tap your right toe on the ground. See that? So left heel that way, and then right toe hits the ground. So from here, I'm going to have my left toe come forward, and then I'm going to bring my right leg up in the forward position. See that? So for the beginning, my left heel going that way, and my right toe touches the ground. From here, my left toe comes forward, and my right leg goes in the forward position that I showed you with the running man. And then what's cool about here is you're in this position and you can do the running man from here. You can connect it all. That's why this position right here, I call it the starting point of shuffling. Because once you're right here, you can really get into anything. So the T-step also is great for moving around to get you from right here to right here. Because the running man is more in one place, but if you want to move, the T-step definitely gives you movement. So I can be doing the running man and the T-step. To break it down again, you're on your left leg, your left heel goes that way to the right, and as it does that, your right leg taps the ground. So what's nice about this right leg, it can help you keep your balance. So you're really going like this, but once you add your right leg, it really helps you keep your balance since you're on both legs. It's just your toe is tapping the ground. You really don't put any weight on your right foot. See how easy I can just kick up? And you don't even have to tap your right foot on the ground. You can kick. You really can do whatever you want. You can bring it in front of you, behind you. So, right here, in starting position, you're going to kick up, come back up, and then do it again. Up, up. And so you want to get movement with it. So I'm starting right here, right? And just in a few T-steps, I can make it all the way over there. So I'm going to hit, hit. So again. And so to do the other side, same thing, but we're moving this way. So now we're on our right leg. Our right heel, that way. And then our right toe goes that way. See that? And then our left leg is going to do the tapping. So here, here, here. And so if you wanted to combine them, how I found works best for me is I'm going to do a few of them. And then once I'm back here at starting position, whatever leg's up, I'm just going to cross over like this, getting starting position with the other side, and go. So it looks like this, if doing it at full speed. To combine the T-step with the running man, we're going to start in starting position, and we're going to do a few running mans, and then we're going to start doing the T-step. So we're going to come down, get in starting position, T-step. Can do the running man. We're in starting position, T-step. So now, what do we do with our arms when we're shuffling? This is what's hardest for me about shuffling. So I just kind of move them with what my legs are doing. So if I'm doing the running man, I just kind of let them flow with it. And then T-step, my arms just follow my legs. Starting position, hit, hit, right hand. So some people like to make it look more intense and do like fists and like really like strong movements, like, and you can like do like crosses, punches. You can really do anything you want. Whatever your style is, I like to change it up. I like to do a little bit of everything. There's all the different ways to do these two moves that I just showed you. And in my next tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do different variations of these two moves and make it all look different, even though the basics are the same. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button below, and also follow me on Instagram where I post a lot more shuffling and dancing and jump rope videos. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.